Yo people, wagwan, welcome back to RonsTechHub, and today I'm going to be testing the speed of my Deco BE68. At the moment I'm connected to my Virgin Wi-Fi, as you can see in the top left there. So what I'm going to do first is do a speed test. This is my speed test here. I'm supposed to get 1 gigabit, but to be fair, it's a busy day, everyone's at home, so I know it's going to be less. I'm not too far from my Virgin internet box. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to go to my file manager, I'm going to go to my downloads folder, I'm going to copy this file here, then I'm going to go back, go to remote, and from remote I'm going to connect to my NAS. I've got two NASs in this house. One is an Open Media Vault one using a Raspberry Pi 4, and the other one is HexOS using a small form factor PC. So I'm going to go to the Raspberry Pi NAS first, and I'm simply going to paste that file, watch it to see what the maximum speeds are that I do get. So the fastest speed I got for this one was 96 megabytes per second. On my HexOS NAS I got a maximum of 100 megabytes per second. What I'm going to do now is quickly change over to the Deco Wi-Fi device to see if the speed changes. This time I'm going to copy a different file just to make sure that nothing was held in RAM, because that might affect the speeds. So I'm going to press and hold this one here. Now I'm using my Deco device. I'm going to paste this here. Okay, now I'm getting so this is somehow faster than the Wi-Fi directly from Virgin. I'm getting 117 megabytes per second. I'm in exactly the same location, nothing's changed, but somehow it's faster. I'm going to go back to my HexOS NAS. I'm going to go to HexOS here, go here, and I'm going to paste that same file again. I'm getting maximum 117 megabytes per second here, which again is still 17 megabytes faster than what I was getting directly from Virgin's Wi-Fi. So all the tests I did just then was me on the ground floor. I'm on the first floor now in the bedroom. I'm going to try the exact same test again. I am again connected to Virgin's router directly, so I'm going to go back to my downloads folder. I'm going to copy that Hisense video, so I'm going to copy that. I'm going to go back to my Open Media Vault NAS first, which is the one there at the top, 160. I'm going to paste that, and I'm getting, again, this is where the issue comes in. I'm getting 37 megabytes per second on my internal network. In the grand scheme of things, this isn't going to be a massive issue for most people, because to be fair, it still takes less than a minute or roughly a minute to transfer a 2.5 gigabyte file. However, as you saw before, I was getting 100 megabytes per second, 117 when I switched over to the Deco device, whereas now that's a massive drop. This is copying from my phone directly to the Open Media Vault NAS running on Raspberry Pi 400. Now I'm going to copy that exact same file to my HexOS NAS, paste it here. Roughly the same speeds here again. I think it's safe to say that both NASs, if that's a word, my Open Media Vault NAS and my HexOS NAS, the performance is going to be roughly the same. Alright, so now I've switched over to my Deco device again. I'm still in the rooms upstairs. So what I'm going to do again is go back and copy the other file. The speeds were exactly the same, so there's no point in me doing the same thing twice. So I'm going to go to downloads. I'm going to copy the DJI video. I'm going to go to copy, go to remote, go to the HexOS NAS, go to HexOS here. I'm going to paste it. I'm not getting 117 megabytes like I did before. However, I am getting roughly 89 to 90 megabytes per second, which is way faster, more than 2.5 times faster than what I was getting before. So this is why the Deco devices make sense. This is why a mesh Wi-Fi system makes sense. Things are not going to be 100% as fast in every single room, but number one, it gets rid of the dead zones. Number two, you get relatively good speeds compared to what the original speed was supposed to be. And in some cases, for example, I'm using a Pixel 8 Pro right now, which doesn't have Wi-Fi 7. My Wi-Fi router doesn't have Wi-Fi 7, but I'm still getting over 100 megabytes per second if I'm relatively close to the devices. The last test for me to do is actually go to my basement, which is where I do most of my work. That's where my IT setup is. I'm going to go there and transfer exactly the same files again to see the speeds I get down there. So I'm in the basement now, and I'm connected to my Virgin router. I'm going to go to the Hisense video, long press, copy. I'm going to go to my HexOS NAS again, and I'm simply going to paste it here. I'm getting roughly 27 to 30 megabytes per second, which again is roughly 3 times slower than what I was getting before when I was right next to the Virgin router. Now the Virgin routers are not bad. They've gotten a lot better over the years. I am now back on my Deco device Wi-Fi. I'm back in my downloads. I'm going to copy this file here again, go to my HexOS NAS, and I'm simply going to paste it. And though I'm not getting the 117 megabytes I was getting before, I'm getting 67 megabytes here, which is close enough to double what I was getting with my Virgin Wi-Fi router. Transferring the same file from exactly the same location. Okay, that jumped up to 70 megabytes there. Transferring the same file from the same location, from the same device, and to the same devices. I've actually stood outside my house at the back and at the front and tried to transfer stuff as well. My Virgin Wi-Fi picks up and I only get 1 bar, whereas the Deco devices I get 2 to 3 bars. So hopefully that was useful to somebody. If you're thinking about buying the Deco devices to get rid of your Wi-Fi hotspots and to keep relatively good speeds depending wherever you go in the house, I would say it's definitely a good investment.